Gold made this year high at 1765. Since then, it is in bearish trend. This trend is trending in an expanding declining wedge. Last week, it finished its third wave at 1670. Wave 2 was 707 retracement of first wave. Then we can expect fourth corrective wave up to 1722 resistance, which would be 707 retracement of wave 3. After completion of fourth wave, we can expect fifth impulsive wave up to 1644 horizontal support, which would be 1.46 projection of fourth wave from 1722 resistance. Since wave 3 meet its resistance and 1.46 projection of first wave. So this wedge has 707 retracement and 1.414 projection for buy low and sell high with green trend line as visual guide. If we summarize Elliott wave analysis of current bearish trend, then we have long target up to 1722, another sell opportunity at 1722 with SL at 1735. First profit target would be 1660 and 1644. From horizontal support at 1644, there would be end of current bearish trend and start of next bullish trend that would take gold to 1803.